Now that your students have completed their adaptive assignment, they can still go back into the assignment to continue studying or to review the work they've done. Let me show you. Launching the assignment the way they normally would, your student is once again taken to their overview page. Here, they can click on Keep Studying to hop right back into the adaptive environment, or they can review their previous work. The content covered section of their overview allows them to see how they did per learning objective on the assignment, and they can even click on it and review those specific questions they got right or wrong. Additionally, they have a more detailed view of everything they did while working on the assignment by clicking on the assignment history link. Here they can review every single question they took, whether they got it right or wrong, and see what instructions they received to guide them towards 100% progress. I hope this helps, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your customer success manager for assistance. And if you don't know who your CSM is, please email customersuccess@wiley.com and we'll get you connected with them right away. Have a great semester.